The ISO 9000 family of standards. The ISO 9000 family of standards is related to quality management systems, designed to help organizations ensure that they meet the needs of customers and other stakeholders. ISO 9000 deals with the fundamentals of quality management systems, including the 8 management principles on which the family of standards is based. ISO 9001 deals with the requirements that organizations wishing to meet the standard have to fulfill. Wikipedia, standards in the ISO 9000 family. ISO 9000 to 2005 covers the basic concepts and language. ISO 9001 to 2008 sets out the requirements of a quality management system. ISO 9004 to 2009 focuses on how to make a quality management system more efficient and effective. ISO 19011 to 2011 sets out guidance on internal and external audits of quality management systems. The 8 quality management principles. These quality management principles form the basis for ISO 9000 family of standards. Customer focus: understand, meet and exceed customer expectations. Leadership: establish unity of purpose and direction, create an environment in which people can become fully involved. Involvement of people: people at all levels should be involved in achieving the organization's objectives. Process approach: activities and resources should be managed as a process. System approach to management: managers understand and manage interrelated processes as a system. Continued improvement: continual improvement of performance should be a permanent objective. Factual approach to decision-making: effective decisions are based on the analysis of data and information. Mutually beneficial supplier relationships. Ref. ISO 9000, 0.2. Audits and certification. Checking that the system works is a vital part of ISO 9001 to 2008. An organization must perform internal audits to check how its quality management system is working. An organization may decide to invite an independent certification body to verify that it is in conformity to the standard, but there is no requirement for this. Alternatively, it might invite its clients to audit the quality system for themselves. ISO 9001 to 2008 Quality Management Systems, Requirements. Section 1, Scope. Section 2, Normative Reference. Section 3, Terms and Definitions, specific to ISO 9001, not specified in ISO 9000. Section 4, Quality Management System. Section 5, Management Responsibility. Section 6, Resource Management. Section 7, Product Realization. Section 8, Measurement, Analysis and Improvement. Before the certification body can issue or renew a certificate, the auditor must be satisfied that the company being assessed has implemented the requirements of Sections 4 to 8. Sections 1 to 3 are not directly audited against, but because they provide context and definitions for the rest of the standard, their contents must be taken into account. Main chapters. Common Assessment Framework, CAF. Total Quality Management Tool. Developed by the public sector for the public sector. Inspired by the Excellence Model, EFQM Excellence Model. Based on the premise that excellent results in organizational performance, citizens, customers, people and society are achieved through leadership driving strategy and planning, people, partnerships, resources and processes. This is a holistic approach to organizational performance analysis. Purpose: to assist public sector in using quality management techniques to improve performance. Designed for use in all parts of the public sector. To introduce public administrators to the principles of TQM. To guide them to a fully fledged PDCA cycle, Plan Do Check Act. To facilitate self-assessment to obtain a diagnosis and a definition of improvement actions. To act as a bridge across various models used in quality management. To facilitate bench learning between public sector organizations. The 8 Principles of Excellence, abbreviated. 1. Results orientation. The organization focuses on results. Results pleases all of the stakeholders. 2. Citizen/customer focus. The organization focuses on the needs of both present and potential citizens/customers. 3. Leadership and constancy of purpose. Leaders establish a clear mission statement, as well as a vision and values. They also create and maintain the internal environment in which people can get fully involved in realizing the organization's objectives. 4. Management by processes and facts. A desired result is achieved more efficiently when related resources and activities are managed as a process, and effective decisions are based on the analysis of data and information. 5. People development and involvement. The contribution of employees should be maximized through their development and involvement in the creation of a working environment of shared values and a culture of trust, openness, empowerment and recognition. 6. Continuous learning, innovation and improvement. Excellence is challenging the status quo and effecting change by continuous learning to create improvement opportunities. Continuous improvement should therefore be a permanent objective of the organization. 7. Partnership development. Public sector organizations need others to achieve their targets and should therefore develop and maintain value-adding partnerships. 8. Social responsibility. Public sector organizations have to assume their social responsibility and try to meet the major expectations and requirements of the local and global community. The SEF model. The 8 Excellence Principles of Excellence are integrated into the structure of the SEF model. Criterion example. 5. Processes. An effective and efficient organization identifies its core processes, which it performs in order to deliver its services, outputs, and impact outcomes, considering the expectations of the citizens/customers and other stakeholders, in line with its mission and strategy. Abbreviated. Sub-Criterion 5.1 Identify, design, manage and innovate processes on an ongoing basis, involving stakeholders. Sub-Criterion 5.2 Develop and deliver citizen/customer-oriented services and products. Sub-Criterion 5.3 Coordinate processes across the organization and with other relevant organizations. Self-assessment process.